What's up guys, my name is TFK Gawat and you are welcome to my channel. So recently I just got into FPV and I have all my parts and drones shipped in already, and I will quickly take you through the unboxing. So here's the charger. This is the Hobbymates D6 Dual Pro charger. It is a double charger and a 200-watt charger, and it can charge two batteries at the same time. I don't want to speak too much FPV jargon so I don't make mistake. Here is the DJI goggles. Super amazing. It came in with the antennas. Here are the two antennas and a few USB cables. This is the power cable and USB-C cable. And here is the main man himself. This is DJI FPV goggles. So here is the DJI FPV remote. It looks like the regular DJI remote, but this is quite different. As you can see, the DJI FPV remotes. And I got myself full send batteries. I think they're like the best in the market. I got 4 of them, and this is the GoPro Hero 10. The GoPro Hero 10 arrived in a beautiful sleek case, and I got myself extra batteries, and it came in also with the mount and everything you need. So here's the main man, the drone. This is the iFlight Protek35. Excuse my rusty blade. So this is the drone itself, and these are the, I don't know what I would call it, like protection guards. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what they are, the protection guards for the body of the drone, so when I bump it into the wall, there's no issues. So I am heading to my flight spots, and there is a little bit of traffic. Let me show you. See. And by the way, this is me after doing all of the beta flight and all the pairing and all the setup, and I'm ready to fly. So hi everyone, Taufik Aerial Lagos here. I found someone cool to fly with. I found Aerial Gigs from a drone hangout. I saw his handle on Instagram, and immediately I sent a DM like, yo, you're an FPV pilot in Lagos, we should link up. And immediately it happened. That's the spirit of FPV. You pilots are available like anytime. So we are currently at Onikon Stadium. It's quite sunny out here today. So he's going to be, I fly the Protek35, but is this custom built?
Yeah, it's custom built, 5-inch.
Custom built 5-inch drone. I will show you the drone in the video later, but Aerial Gigs is flying my GoPro on his custom 5-inch drone. The GoPro is currently on the drone now, so
let's see what
don't break my GoPro.
All right, let's get ripping.
So here is the custom built 5-inch cord. He has a run cam mounted on it. If you have stayed till this part of the video, make sure you follow me on Instagram and enjoy some more flying. Thank you so much guys for sticking around till the end of this video. Please make sure you do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. I would really appreciate it, and I promise you much more better content next time. My name is TFK Gawat and I'll see you around.